Good evening. Okay, this Inside Nigeria News, and today we'll be talking about the American veterans, the military in the United States of America. They've written to Binta Nyako that she should temper justice to mercy, and she should, she should not revoke her initial judgment as regards nnamdikanu case issue rather. So what can I say to this, Mr. Kokodem?
I am Mr. Kwademi Okokondem. In this Republic of Biafra, live a man and Nnamdikanu and his attitude to government of long live public government, long live Mazen Nnamdikanu, long live Simon Ekpa, long live Finland governments that are contesting Simon Ekpa, long live all our fans all over the world. May God Almighty bless them. You see, the American veteran, military men, ex-military men, let me put it like that, that are pleading to Detention. There's no pleading there. If Detention feel that what is good, what she doing is right, let him continue to do it. If she feel that what he's doing is right, let her continue doing it. Tossing an innocent soul up and down, that has no crime, commit no sin. How many times have she seen down and gone to family health spend? I think in her own state, flood helpsmen are killing. How many times have she given order to go arrest any of them? Because Nnamdi is an igbo man, it's Nnamdi. Therefore, they have to toss his case up and down. The case he have already won.
Under Buhari.
2 years ago, this president regime entered and castle.
I even thought they would release him. I thought when Tinubu comment came in, I thought they would release him personally. That's what I felt.
Yes. Both Tinubu and his predecessor, they want to torture Nnamdi. But Tinubu could have, whom I'm looking forward unto him, is Tinubu, the current president of Nigeria now. That the fight of power he used to release Shawore. That fight of power he used to release Sunday Igbo. I was moving.
But Sunday Igbo was never arrested here in Nigeria. I think
he's never arrested in
Iran. Yeah.
But remember that he wasn't in Nigeria.
Yes,
it was current president swearing in that he came back. You understand? And being how we, the Biafrans, the Igbos, secure Tinubu government, you could have done something for us. Because when the North and the West, his people and the North, called for protests against him, it was we said no. They begged us to join. We said no, we're not going to join. First, it's against Tinubu. We're not going to join. We show him love. We show him kindness. Why can't he show us the same kindness and love we show unto him? You understand? Had he been the Igbos of Biafrans, Sasa please came out. That time, the two sectors have gone for protest. And even we came out and joined them for the protest. Do you think that he will be in office now? He can be a civil disobedience or civil disorderliness against his government, which will cripple his government down. Then we said no, we will not participate. Upon how he windowed himself against me to be an Igbo man. But we still, the Igbo still said no. No matter what happens, politics is politics. We are not going to weaken him. But his own people stand for him to come down. They had people will come by now, who are not being the president of Nigeria again. So we expecting him to show concern, good concern, as we show good concern to him. Let him show good concern in Africa. And watch out, Tinubu wasn't the one who made Nnamdi Kanu case. It was Buhari, even Jonathan, that Buhari succeeded. He was not one day harass anybody. Apart from Boko Haram, he faced to bring security in Nigeria. And if you watch during that time of Jonathan, it was only in Borno that the insurgency or insecurity was, and was containing them, pushing them, suppressing them. So they said the entire north. This is why now one lot are shouting, Tinubu did this, insecurity. I just looking at them. When Jonathan want to subdue Boko Haram, if he did not the same north, who else against Jonathan? So Jonathan, you are trying to revenge Biafra, what we did to you people in Biafra war. You are trying to revenge. Remove Yelejika. You are killing us. You are killing us this or this. Remove Yelejika. Until Jonathan remove Yelejika. Finally, they take over. And insecurity multiply and multiply and multiply and multiply and multiply. Now they are shouting to Tinubu, stop his stop it. Binta Nyako is starting from onset. She was against Nnamdi Kanu. I look at the Binta Nyako judgment of Nnamdi Kanu as a personal hatred. This one is no more judiciary case. It's personally now he took it with Nnamdi Kanu as if she is the one Nnamdi Kanu want to separate from. But Binta Nyako, she realized that what is she this government work, one day she will resign.
And posterity.
One day she will resign.
And
there's a lot of karma. Anybody that commits crime, if that person did not face that crime, he commit and go free. One day, along his lineage, somebody will face that crime. Because in a book of, I think, Detention or this in Exodus, God said, I am a jealous God. I will not by any means let the guilty free. And I will visit the sin of the father unto fourth generation. I will visit the iniquity of the father. Which means any crime you committed in wickedness, there's a crime you will commit or offense you commit mistakenly, you do it. Not deliberate wickedness. You think that when you go free, your generation will go free, somebody will pay for it. Nnamdi Kanu, people that are committing crime, carrying gun, killing people, going to farm, killing people, putting cow on people's land, raping people, doing whatever. They haven't suffered like Nnamdi Kanu, who did not suffer, who did not commit any crime. But get a percent of tossing. This is how we do until finally people shout. She got Nnamdi Kanu pen in 2017. And the two cases Nnamdi Kanu won, not she that handled the case. One, High Court. High Court, Abia State. Second, High Court, Enugu State. And all this court, they are Federal High Court. They are Federal High Court. And they went to appeal court. Appeal court still favor Nnamdi Kanu. The government of Buhari said no. You see how things were going. Government of Buhari did not cancel the judgment. But in total, definitely, government of Buhari refused to release Nnamdi Kanu. Now, government of Buhari accept the judgment as good verdict. But because of fear of Nnamdi Kanu, they refuse to release him. They hold him until he amended. Tinubu, Mr. President of Nigeria, enter and took over the case. Now, instead of government of Tinubu to let Nnamdi Kanu go free, according to the judgment, they have won. Government of Tinubu came and cancelled it, which is too bad. And another thing government of Tinubu do, he confirmed that Nnamdi Kanu did not jump bail. Nnamdi Kanu did not jump bail, but it was federal government that was suing him. The law is their life. Now, if we see both the past government and the present government, Nnamdi Kanu still won them. Nnamdi Kanu still won them. Now, instead of Binta to rely on the judgments of Supreme Court of Nigeria, this present Supreme Court of Nigeria, that Nnamdi Kanu did not jump bail, and release Nnamdi Kanu to go and complete the former bail they grant him. She's tossing like this, tossing like this, tossing like this. If she cannot be able to handle Nnamdi Kanu case, let her resign. Let another person take up the case. Because what I'm discovering, what I personally discovering now is that Nyako is not capable again to handle Nnamdi Kanu case. She is, in this very particular Nnamdi Kanu case, she is incompetent to handle it. I'm not saying in any other case, but presently in Nnamdi Kanu case, Nyako is incompetent to handle it. That is why I don't know what to do. She don't know what to do. She continue adjourning. People have, they are learned people. I'm not learned people like them. People have interpreted the interpretation of Supreme Court that Nnamdi Kanu did not jump bail. It was Nigeria that broke the bail, and from there he let Nnamdi Kanu go on that very bail and start coming to court. If federal government wants to continue on the case, that's not what I'm saying. And the federal government cannot continue on the case because they don't have any charge. Up to now, have they present any charge against Nnamdi Kanu? Since this present regime or administration cancelled the former case, he won. But it's the former verdict. Have they been able to present any charge against Nnamdi Kanu? The prosecutor, on behalf of Nigerian government, I think most of them are son. Where is that their son? Why are they learned people? And they are not able to present any case against Nnamdi Kanu. Only coming court, adjoining, coming court, adjoining, coming court, adjoining. Which means both of them are what? Frustrated. They don't know where to hold Nnamdi Kanu. They don't know the case to be presented against him. Because Nnamdi Kanu is guiltless. They are the ones that are supposed to be persecuted for kidnapping Nnamdi Kanu. Federal government and the solicitor are going to be persecuted. If my word will reach Nyako here, instead of him to continue to let herself down as a judge, let her resign and have her honor as a retired judge. Have her honor than to come into court dangling like this, no base, just tossing up and down like sea wave. She better resign. Because I have said it. If he refuses to resign and continue handling Nnamdi Kanu case as he's doing it now, the whole world knows that they have personal hatred on Nnamdi Kanu. This is no more government issue or agitation issue or any issue. It's a personal hatred. Personal hatred. Because I don't see if it's another person have time and have case like Nnamdi Kanu, whether she will handle it like that. Because that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So
okay, well, but do you think that she can she has the mind to do what she's supposed to do, you know, as a judge. Do you think she has that mind?
This is why.
Do you think that the government will not bully her to,
bully her on what? He said
to make her own, a decision?
I'm resigning.
No,
I'm resigning. Or let he drop the case and let another judge take it. Let her drop the case. Say, I'm tired of this. My hands are up with this case. Let another judge take it. We have so many high court in Nigeria. Let any of the high court take it. After all, the people the two court that judge it, the judges there, are they not human beings? Do they have two heads? And Mrs. Nyako have one head. Those people are they angel? And Mrs. Nyako, Judge Mrs. Nyako, is an ordinary human being. Is it the same sword they have that she have? Not the same blood they have that she has. Not the same law school they went. Are they more learned than her? But you don't want to do the right. She don't want to do the right thing. She knows the right thing. She don't want to do it. That's why it looks like she's frustrated or incompetent to handle Nnamdi Kanu case anymore. So I'm pleading to her with due respect as judge, one of the judges in Nigeria, and for her to retain her integrity as a judge in the world, in the history of judges, or in the archive of judges in the world, for her to retain her integrity. Let her honorably resign if she knows that she cannot do the right thing. For Nnamdi Kanu to be released, not to be jailed, not to be hanged, not to languish in detention. But for her, for Nnamdi to be released, let her honorably resign and have her honor as a retired judge. That's my word to her. Okay. I'm not abusing her, but I'm trying to make things to be easier for her.
What do you think Nnamdi Kanu will be finally released? Do you see them releasing him?
I said Nnamdi Kanu will not
this year.
If they fail to release Nnamdi Kanu through judicial process, they will release Nnamdi Kanu and maybe biafra is declared. I think this year, December 2nd of this year, when we declare biafra and restore it, we have biafra government in our motherland. Then it will be set the state. Then they will tell us, Nigeria government will tell us, the crime Nnamdi Kanu committed. Whether she's a good plotter, whether he commit tracing, or whether she commit murder, or whether she's among the bandits and kidnappers. They will tell us that time. And if anything happened to Nnamdi Kanu, we still ask them question, what happened? The fact that we ask them question, what happened? Then that it becomes state versus state, nation versus nation. So by and by, Nigeria will surely come out.
Okay, and lastly, why is it that UK, the British, are not interfering in this matter? What do you think is the cause?
British have been interfering in this matter, but against Nnamdi Kanu, against biafra. British government is one of the wicked, witchcraft, greedy government in the world. Britain is the highest looter in the world. Money laundering, Britain is the highest in the world. From the time, how many centuries? Even when they have never remember Africa. When Portuguese and Spain we go to South America, that's what they were called Latin America. When they go there, do their business, do their merchant, coming back home, British citizens will go on high sea, hijack them, and hijack the ship, and they carry their goods to Britain and share into two. Give the monarch their share and protect them. They are thieves. They don't hold Nnamdi Kanu because they use one Nigeria looting the mineral resources of Biafra. Because it was mineral resources of Biafra keep Nigeria going. Nigeria is a locomotive engine. We they use the coal from Biafra to pilot. Without the Biafra, the trade of Nigeria will be stranded. And British know what they are looting. And they know that if we go, we are going with our resources, they can't be able to loot it again. Because what they know, we know it. That's why they hate Biafra. What they know, Biafra know it. What their mother told them, Biafra mother have told us before their mother told them. No matter they will come in the name of colonization, take gunpoint, seize our territory, kill us. That's why they teach Nigeria how to take gun to hold Nigeria ransom in gunpoint for their own for the Lugard. That retired criminal colonel. Retired the criminal colonel, call himself for the Lugard. Go with Judge Britain. Go with Judge Britain for massacring Biafra during the war. And now still hold us in ransom. In the contention, go Nigeria. Who from Nigeria? You don't pretend.
Well, maybe they might let them have a rethink and maybe interfere.
What do they have? British is a wicked government. Even this America now, they are following America at the back. Like we are little child following her mother. Do you know how they kill America? When America was asking the independence, they will come to America, they loot American resources, carry it go. When they read the budget, they never read America into budget. They never give anything to America. But America is paying tax. And they come to America, loot America, go. When the America rebel, asking for the independence, the Washington came in and lead America. They fought. If you see how British maltreat American war prisoners for that independence, it was God that used France. That time they call France blue coats and called British red coats. It was God who used France to come and join hands with America to liberate America from Britain. But today, Britain cannot do that to America. Whatever Britain is doing, immediately America put herself, Britain will run away. Without America, there's nothing like Britain. But see how Britain treated them. When Britain treat you, you are able to survive. The rest they come and befriend you, so that they continue to keep your economy. So that mostly, if you're a progressive nation, they like to embrace you. This is why America refused to join Commonwealth of Britain. America is supposed to be among the Commonwealth of Britain, but they said no. They're on their own. Don't mind British. Is it not British that's sponsoring kidnapping, terrorists in Nigeria? So that Nigeria will be in confusion. They're coming in, thieving mineral resources in Nigeria. They have what they after commerce. It's Nnamdikanu, not a British citizen. I think Nnamdikanu is not a British citizen. And they hold him from the time of that Jezebel. Called the late Jezebel called herself Elizabeth. From her own time, Nnamdikanu was in detention. And now his son have taken over, like the son of Ahab in the Bible. They have taken over, like the son of Jeroboam, who made Israel to sin. They have taken over. And still, Nnamdikanu is legally there. And they said, Nnamdikanu is the citizen. When you are doing good things that British are benefiting from you, they give you the citizenship card. But when you fall into a problem, they will not come to rescue you as their citizen. May God save Biafra and save Nnamdikanu.
Amen.
May Lord give us the grace to overcome in Jesus' name. Amen. I am Mr. Para.